Hello friend, welcome back. In this video, I want to discuss about ES6, another one of the most important features as a module. Okay, module. So what exactly that module? Like before, I have already discussed about that things with you. If you run any functions, so into this function area, when you need this function, you can call it, right? Now if you want to make it into the globally, that means in particular one of the file area, you just simply add all the to your functions, and then when it will be needed, you just simply import this function. Okay, but I show you the live example, then everything will be more clear. I simply remove everything. Okay, I simply remove everything, and here I want to take one of the constant variable. I take one of the constant variable as a add number. Okay, add number. So this type of one of the variable. Okay, and here I want to declare two of this parameter. One is the number. Okay, number, I make it as a number 1, and another one I want to take it as a number 2. Okay, number 2. Perfect. And then there is our array function. So into this function area, I want to declare two of this that will be added, two of this, both of this number that will be as a number, right? Number 1 plus number 2. So that means that will be add both of this number. I have already discussed about that things with you. So now if you want to add it, then also you have to pass one of the value, right? So here into the console, okay, into the console log, here into the console log area, I want to do that is in our wish name as a add number, right? Into this add number area, here I want to pass our both of this parameter value as a 10, and also I want to pass another one as a 30. Okay, 30. Now that should be add both of this number, right? So here I take everything, and that is our array one of the function. I hope you already know about it. Now if you click at the save all, now go there, click as a refresh. Now you can see it's now successfully display as a 40. So right now I want to do that is our function, right? So this function here, this function I want to make it as a globally. Okay, for doing this better, JavaScript, here I want to create another new file, and I just name it as a main.js. Okay, I name it as a main.js. So into this main.js, here I want to take it. I simply cut it from to this position, and then in our main.js here I paste it. Now whenever this function will be needed, you can call it in here. Okay, so for the reasons, the first time from to this position we have to export it. Okay, that will be the export, and then default. Okay, the export default, and then our function name as a add number. Okay, I simply from here I export this function. Okay friend, I hope it's very clear. And now we have to access it. Right now we have to import it in here. So if you want to import it, then only you have to do that will be the import, and from here I pass that our function name, that is our function name as a add number, right? So that will be the add number. Add number from our which place, that will be our file name, our file location as a main.js, right? So there is a main.js. So I simply loaded this file. I hope friend it's very clear. So here I have already created as a main.js. So now I simply import this file, and in particular that area I have already declared our function. Okay, so that is our global function. Now if you click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh, now you can see it's now show some of the error as uncatched syntax error, cannot use import statement outside a module. So if you get this type of one of the error, only you have to do in our index, and that is our index.js. Here into the script area you have to use that as a type. Okay, type will be as a module. Okay, module. So here only you have to write down this one. Okay, type will be as a module. Now if you click as a save all, now that should be work. Click as a refresh. Yeah, you can see it's now successfully display that value. Okay friend, I hope everything is very clear. So here I have already imported our main.js file, and into this main.js area I have already declared one of the method, and from to this area I export it, and then I import it. So whenever this method will be needed in our every pages, you can simply import it from to this area. I hope everything is very clear friend. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.